Hi, my name is Darcy Travelby, and I'm a student at Grand Canyon University. The purpose of this video today is a resource for parents for new special education students. I'll be summarizing the history of special ed law and highlighting important cases. In the pre-1970s, before the 1970s, formalized special education services were scarce, and children with disabilities often faced exclusion from schools. Many were denied access to education due to their disabilities, and there was little legal protection for their rights. Post-1970s to the present day, there is significant shift in education due to legal developments, such as Education for All Handicapped Children Act, EHA. In 1975, this law mandated a free, appropriate public education to each student's needs. Individualized Education Program, the EHA introduced the concept of the IEP, which is a personalized plan that is tailored to each student's needs. IDEA, in the 1990s, the EHA was reauthorized as the Individuals with Disabilities Act, which emphasized inclusion, parental involvement, and procedural safeguards. Some landmark cases for special education, the first being Brown versus Board of Education of 1954. They laid the foundation for equal educational rights, including those with disabilities. Board of Education of Hendrick Hudson Central School District versus Rowley in 1982. This was the first special education court case that was decided by the Supreme Court, and it established the concept of the IEP providing educational benefit, not necessarily maximum potential. Irving Independent School District versus Amber Tatro of 1984. This case was clarified that certain medical services are considered related services under IDEA. Parental rights for special education, first being FERPA, Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, which protects the privacy of students' educational records. Parents' rights, they can access their child's records, control and disclose of personally identifiable information, and seek corrections if records are inaccurate. IDEA, Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, ensures free, appropriate public education, also known as FAPE, F-A-P-E. Some key provisions were the IEP, which are tailored to students' needs, the LRE, which is the least restrictive environment to promote inclusion, and collaboration with parents in decision-making. Rights in public charter schools or private schools. Students in private schools placed by parents don't have entitlement to special education services under IDEA. Private schools may not be required to meet state personal or curriculum standards. Students in these settings still have some rights, but not all protections under IDEA. In conclusion, I encourage parents to explore Michigan Department of Education to stay informed under current legal trends in special education within Michigan, and to also check out Rights Law, which offers up-to-date information on special education law.